Hello guys, so today I will talk about the Boya BYM1 Omnidirectional Lavalier microphone, which you can buy for YouTube or for recording some videos, and it is a very good quality mic. And in this video I will do the unboxing and a quick review of this mic. So the unboxing is very plain and simple. You get a pouch inside which the microphone is placed, and also we get a battery if you are using it with a camera or some other devices which need the microphone to be powered. We also get a adapter and some warranty cards and a foam and a clip to tie it in the collar. So friends, the unboxing is pretty simple, and now let's talk about the quality. So you might be familiar that all the major YouTubers mainly use this microphone from recording with a DSLR or with their smartphone, because it is a very value for money microphone with good audio quality. And friends, this whole video is recorded by this microphone, and you can hear that it is a very good quality microphone and capturing my voice pretty well. And the price on Amazon is almost 870 rupees for this microphone. So if you are finding a good microphone to record audio for YouTube or other videos, then you can go for this microphone. It is a very good microphone for its price. So friends, I hope that you liked this video. Please leave a like, and if you have any questions, ask it in the comment section, and subscribe if you like our channel.